In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Flo app not showing ovulation. Let's get started. First, launch Flo on your mobile device. You will see the app's interface come to life. This is the main hub where you can track your cycle and health. It's essential to start here because accessing the app is the first step to resolving your issue. You may notice the colorful charts and reminders that make Flo so user-friendly. If your app is not opening, ensure your mobile device is updated and has internet access. This ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes that may resolve your problem. Next, tap your menu icon, which is your profile avatar or initials located in the top left corner. This action will take you into the settings and options of your profile. The menu is where you can customize your experience and manage your settings. It's important to navigate here because it gives you access to the features that may affect your ovulation tracking. Once you tap it, you'll see a list of options tailored to your preferences. This helps you ensure that your settings are correct for optimal cycle tracking. From there, select Reminders. This is where you can manage notifications about your cycle and health. You'll see various reminder settings that can help keep you informed about your ovulation and fertile days. Paying attention to reminders is crucial because they keep your cycle tracking consistent. If reminders are set incorrectly, it can lead to missed notifications about your ovulation. Selecting this option will prepare you to adjust your settings further. Now tap Contraception and turn the toggle off. This step is important because it influences how your fertile days are displayed on the calendar. When contraception is enabled, the app may hide broader fertile days, limiting your ovulation visibility. Turning this toggle off ensures that you have a complete view of your cycle and helps in accurate tracking. You will see the toggle switch change color or position, indicating your selection has been made. After that, go back to your menu icon and select Cycle and Ovulation. This section provides insights into your cycle and ovulation patterns. It's crucial to check this area as it contains the settings that directly impact your ovulation forecasts. You will find various options that help you customize how you receive information about your cycle. Navigating here will prepare you for the next important step in optimizing your ovulation tracking. Next, locate the Show Chance of Getting Pregnant toggle and switch it on. This will enable the app to display your fertility chances based on your cycle data. It's essential to have this setting on because it allows Flo to provide accurate predictions about your ovulation. You will notice a change in the app's display indicating that this feature is now activated. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your understanding of your fertility window. Now tap the calendar icon in the top right and review your recent months. You will see a visual representation of your cycles over the past months. This is important for verifying that your cycle data is accurate. Observing your calendar will help you identify any irregularities that may affect ovulation predictions. You may notice patterns in your cycles that can inform you about your ovulation status. If you see an accidental log, such as a period log for the wrong month, tap Edit Period Dates to correct it. This step is vital because inaccurate cycle logs can mislead the app's predictions. When you edit these dates, ensure you input the correct information to maintain consistency. Once you do this, you will see confirmation that your edits have been saved, reinforcing that you are on the right track. Finally, once your historical cycles fall between 21 and 60 days, predictions will reappear. This is the culmination of your adjustments, and it's reassuring to know that Flo will now provide accurate ovulation forecasts. The app's algorithm requires this range for reliable predictions, so ensuring your cycle data is correct is crucial. With these adjustments, you will receive valuable insights that aid in understanding your fertility. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find your ovulation predictions accurate and helpful.